Yeah. So where are we? We were talking about key element of your career, not only C. This is beyond C. Am I right? What we are talking, not I am. What we are talking and listening. This is beyond C and beyond other programming languages. Consider everything, right? All programming language done. B हो गया, 70% मार्क मिले, जॉब नहीं मिल रहा है, घर पे बैठे हो, क्या करोगे आप? What is the scope? So these are the points where you have to have lot many scope. Practice on what? Computer programming skills, communication skills, right? Build the core knowledge, build the competency, and I've seen there is a problem with the habit of no in-depth learning. Mark-oriented learning doesn't work out actually, right? Now I'll give one example here. There are many examples in front of me, but I'm going to tell you a simple example, right? So, sorry. The point we are discussing that no habit of in-depth learning. What is this actually? This is when you when you have experience, say 5-6 years of experience, right? At that time you feel that you are the master, but when you go for another interview or another job search, right, you're not going to get it. Why? Because you focus on the given task only, no in-depth knowledge of the technology on which you are working, right? अगर आपको C++ में काम कर रहे हो तो आपको सॉकेट प्रोग्रामिंग आनी चाहिए या नहीं आनी चाहिए? सॉकेट प्रोग्रामिंग ऐसा कोई स्पेशल टॉपिक नहीं रहता है, राइट? व्हेन यू स्टार्ट वर्किंग, थ्रेडिंग, राइट? अगर थ्रेडिंग पे हम लोग काम करना चाहते हैं, C++ हो गया, ASP.NET हो गया, so you have not what? I'm not unable to hear you. Sir, you are not add my number and it's creating a problem. ये add कर बेटा. Himanshu, give me 1 second. I'll add. Team, all of you, today maybe little bit problems for you as well, because lot many people wanted to join, but they may have problem that in the communication. Did you add it? 9022 55 9142. Just add him in our group. Yeah. Thanks, Himanshu. You will get added immediately. Okay. Or what I can say. Let me. Let me send you the link. Can somebody send the link to Himanshu so that he can join through the link instead of me adding it? If you have. Not it? Okay, great. Thank you. Why not use Google Meet? That's a part we will talk on later. On Google Meet, there are limitations. I studied many things on that. So don't worry. If we have a problem, then we will explore that. Okay? Okay. Your recording has been saved. Why? Okay. But then, is it recording going on? Recording. Yeah, it's going on. Okay. Yeah. So let's start again. So I was talking on in-depth learning. When you have something in your pocket as an qualification, as an experience, but later gradually you started decreasing, declining yourself instead of raising on the ladder. Why? Because you may be having problem of not having a habit of in-depth learning. So nowadays, when I just told you, right, I started my journey with C. I don't know when I shifted to C sharp. I don't know when I shifted to ASP.NET, right? Because as and when it comes, we have to jump on the ladder. Then only you will be in the market. How many people know that we were going for camera printing in the printing shop, right? Do you know how many people we used to roll and that kind of stuff?
Audio Jungle.
Hello? Do you purchase roll, camera roll nowadays?
Audio Jungle.
No.
No, right? Because it's gone. आप बोलोगे कि मैं बहुत एक्सपर्ट था, मेरे को 95% थे, right? That is zamana. It's gone. It's not today's requirement. Today's requirement is that what is currently going on, that is on that topic, what is your proficiency, right? So this in-depth learning is not only once, this is continuous. So I want to convey this clear message to all of you as my friends. So build this habit. Whatever language you are trying to learn, whatever technology you are trying to learn, whatever course you are trying to learn, always force yourself to learn in depth, right? Then only you will get successful. Okay. Current trends and technology and your position. I'll talk later on that because I have dedicated slide on that. Friends, don't feel bored because कोई भी लैंग्वेज एक दिन में नहीं सीखी जाती. उसका इम्पोर्टेंस, उसके प्रोज कॉन्स, क्यों, क्या, वाई, फ्रॉम वेयर, राइट, ये सारा सीखना पड़ेगा. हम लोग अपनी जो मदर टंग है कितने साल में सीखी हमने? Until 5 years since birth हम लोगों को नहीं समझता है लैंग्वेज क्या है. जब हम लोग स्कूल जाते हैं तो और नेक्स्ट phase of that language we started learning, right? So language learning is not a one day task कि आज मैं ज्वाइन हो गया और आज ही मेरे को सी आना चालू होना चाहिए. If that kind of expectation is there, change it, right? You have to have a patience, right, to listen everything. Okay, let me wrap to the next. If anybody has question, any moment, even if it is not non-technical, doesn't matter, just raise your hand and then we can discuss. Why this course is free? Since I launched this my thought to community, I think last week, in 1 week, the thought came in my mind, and within 1 week all the preparation has done and we are together right today. So there are lot many preparation required. Much of my time has been invested in spite of me being working right full time, but I'm happy to be with you guys, to talk with you, which will be beneficial for you. ये मैं इसके लिए बोल रहा हूँ क्योंकि हमने जब हमारा करियर शुरू किया था, we are scholar at that time of our area, right? But we don't know where to go, how to go, क्यों जाना है. अगर उन्होंने किसी ने मार्ग बोला कि भाई तू ये लाइन में जा, बट क्यों का आंसर हमको इंटरनेट पे नहीं मिलता था उस समय, क्योंकि इंटरनेट उतना नहीं था. इंटरनेट रहेगा तो हमारे पास कंप्यूटर नहीं था, राइट? कंप्यूटर रहेगा तो कंप्यूटर चलाने का नॉलेज हमारे पास नहीं था. सो लॉट मेनी प्रॉब्लम्स वेयर देयर एंड आई केम फ्रॉम दैट काइंड ऑफ बैकग्राउंड, राइट? And I know even today, same problems may be faced by each one of you in some way. Those who are staying in villages, right? जो शहर में नहीं रहते, पुणे जैसे, पुणे, बैंगलोर, हैदराबाद, राइट? जो गांव में रहते, उन्हें आप पूछिए कि प्रोग्रामिंग का प्रैक्टिस कैसे करते हैं. They will surprise कि यार प्रोग्रामिंग प्रैक्टिस में करने का रहता है क्या? So ऐसे जवाब आते, क्या करेंगे हम लोग? So those kind of problems, we all face. और मैं नहीं चाहता कि अगर मतलब ये ऐसे प्रॉब्लम, इस तरीके के प्रॉब्लम आप लोगों को कुछ हद तक अगर मैं सॉल्व कर पाऊं तो मेरे को लगता है कि ये मेरी विन होगी along with you guys. It's win-win condition, right? Money matter is not there. So remove from your brain block. Sorry, somebody want to talk? Hello? Okay. So please remove blockage. कि ये पैसे के लिए कुछ है, right? Ganesh, why you are unmute? Okay. Ganesh Gote.
Audio Jungle.
Okay. Don't unmute yourself until required. Okay. So
Audio Jungle.
in this COVID-19 pandemic, we have seen many problems, right? Job loss, layoff, salary cut. 15 ही दिन का जॉब चल रहा है. कुछ समय तक 15 दिन का दे रही कंपनी, बाद में बोल रही है भाई बस हो गया, अभी आप चले जाओ, मेरी कैपेसिटी नहीं है, राइट? और वो बंदा फिर घर पे आता है, फिर वो परेशान होता है कि साला मैं 7 साल काम किया ये कंपनी के लिए और अभी मेरे को घर पे बिठा दिया. इट्स नॉट देयर फॉल्ट, इट्स देयर मजबूरी, उनकी मजबूरी है वो. और आप अभी जॉब ढूंढने की कोशिश करना है आपको. ले ऑफ तो सभी जगह पर चल रहा है, फिर अपॉर्चुनिटी मिलाओगे कैसे आप? ये सिर्फ आपके कंपनी में, एक ही कंपनी में ऐसा सिचुएशन है क्या? ये सारे कंपनी में सेम सिचुएशन है. इट डजंट मैटर कि वो कंपनी 10 लोगों की है, 1000 लोगों की है, 10,000 की है कि लाख लोगों की है, TCS, Infosys जैसे. द प्रॉब्लम इज एवरीवेयर, राइट? कॉग्निजेंट यू माइट हैव हर्ड, राइट? सो क्या करेंगे हम लोग ऐसे कंडीशन में? हाउ टू कोप अप दिस काइंड ऑफ सिचुएशन? द ओनली सोल्यूशन इज yes, yeah.
Audio Jungle.
So why this situation is what can be done to overcome this situation? कोई solution है क्या इसका? इसका solution सिर्फ आपकी मेहनत है. आपको ढूंढना है कि अपॉर्चुनिटी कहाँ पे है जो आपके एजुकेशन एक्सपर्टाइजेशन के रिलेटेड है. आप अगर नई फील्ड जाना चाहोगे, इट विल बी रियली डिफिकल्ट, राइट? बट कैनॉट होल्ड ऑफ यू कैन एक्सप्लोर बेस्ड ऑन योर टैलेंट, राइट? तो ये पैंडेमिक वाला सिचुएशन सभी के लिए है. ये मेरे लिए है, ये आपके लिए भी है, राइट? जिसका अभी काम चल रहा है उसका कल रहेगा नहीं रहेगा किसी को कुछ पता नहीं, राइट? तो इस सिचुएशन इस तरह का सिचुएशन मैं पिछले 20 साल से झेल रहा हूँ. When we started, at that time also slowdown was there, right? And the same situation is there right now also. So nothing new for me, right? COVID-19 is new, but जो surrounding है, job loss जिनका हुआ है या जिनको जॉब नहीं मिल रहा है, जो लोग बोल रहे कि भाई मार्केट आएगा, ऊपर जाएगा, नीचे आएगा, ये भी पहले भी था, अभी भी है, आगे भी रहेगा. So who has to change it? You have to change it, right? How? My fourth point, you can read it. Facing challenges to upskill. Upskill is a key word here, right? So those people who upskill themselves as per situation, right? मैं 90% मेरे 10th में थे, BE के सेकंड में आते आते वो 40% पे चला गया, राइट? कौन पूछने वाला है आपको आपका 10th में 12th में क्या था? कोई नहीं पूछने वाला. भाई अब भी तू चल नहीं रहा है, यू गॉन. कैमरा का रोल हम लोग लाइन में रह के परचेस करते थे, राइट? अभी कोई पूछता नहीं है. कैनन कंपनी, कोनिका कंपनी, कोडैक कंपनी, यू मे रिमेंबर, राइट?
Audio Jungle.
ये सब चले गए. You must be heard recently. You must be heard recently that
Audio Jungle.
General Motors has been controlled by whom? Who's invented electric motors? Just search and then you can understand what is that, right? So you have to be on the top of things actually, right? So सो अपस्किलिंग, डायरेक्शंस, क्या मेथोडोलॉजी यूज करनी है, हम लोग हमारा कॉन्फिडेंस कैसे रेज करें, दैट इज इंपॉर्टेंट, राइट? या सो let's talk on gap between expert knowledge reaching to learner at low cost.
Audio
Can anybody who has, because I see many people in this group are already completed their B, they have done their education, they are professional also, right? And some people are as a student, right? Can anybody answer this question? Just raise your hand, I'll unmute yourself. Sajid Button. Okay, Tesla. Yeah. Yes. Sajid, you are perfect. So Tesla's Elon has been appointed as a chairperson for General Motors. And you see the volume of Tesla and you see the volume of General Motors. Age, right? Tesla's age is not more than 10 years. And see the General Motors age. It's century. Right? You have to change. So General Motor has changed their adoption criteria, right? They are not saying कि भाई मैं इसी में का मैं डॉन हूँ, I cannot change. It's not like that. You have to change based on the talents. I just see the chat. Oh yeah, Sajid, thanks for that answer. Great. So I wanted to know some answer from anybody who has, understanding between gap between expert knowledge reaching to learner at low cost. Cost is very important as far as I concern my country. Yeah, Aarti, please. Okay, let me unmute. Aarti, please, you can express your thought. I'm happy. Aarti, can you able to talk? Okay, fine. Okay, so let me answer this, right? So I usually seen whenever I go to take for an interview of people, many times in colleges or campus interviews. So I see the questions that we ask are very practical, right? And those people are really theoretical. So sometimes the industry experts view, not sometimes, my mistake, many times industry experts view doesn't reach to learner when he is opting for general or mid-level institute. But if you go to say MBA or IITs, the learner is expert, the teacher also expert, right? But see the competition, everybody cannot get IIT, right? So here is the gap between industry professions like me and the students, So these two has to be connect each other so that our community can, reach out on the right path. That is what my feeling based on my experience. And that is the reason I'm taking this course as a free so that I can talk, you can listen. If you have anything, I also can listen. It's not one-way traffic, right? It's a both way. It doesn't matter you are student, but your problem can be more conveyed by you only, not me nowadays. So fees are not affordable. If you want to pursue say MBA or triple IT or something good institutes, BITS Pilani, first of all you have to have that marks, then unaffordable fees has to pay by your parent. Something is not possible, either marks, fees or both. So we have many students who has same problem. See, so these points, these problems are there for all of us actually, almost. So as I told you, this is my wish to help all of you, considering I just completed my 20 years of experience in IT field. from nothing to something.
Audio Jungle.
As you saw on first slide on my introduction, now I'm working as a cloud architect in one company, good company. So same thing I'm expecting from you guys. So I'm there to help you. Okay, and that is why the course is free. So you can see the last thing that I mentioned in the beginning of my career. I faced some problems. Some no, there are many problems, and that is the solid motivation to do this course. And this course taking idea came just before 8 days. Not, it's landing in my mind since long. Then how can I help all people who can do better provided correct guidance? Yeah, this is also again very important. I got few calls from few of you people, right? Sir, I cannot complete my education because of so and so reason, and now I am doing XYZ, which is not relevant task, not relevant job. What can I do? So see, these all questions, and what I'm talking, there is no C involved, right? There is no C involved. These all problems you will speak once you finish your education. When you don't get the job, at that time you may realize कि अरे यार मार्केट में कुछ और ही है. मैं सी पढ़ रहा था, मार्केट में सर्वरलेस प्रोग्रामिंग है, कहाँ से पढ़ूँ मैं? कौन पढ़ाएगा? Right? So these gaps, I don't think your school teacher or college teacher is going to talk on that. And that is where I feel need to reach out to you, right? And that's why I taken an effort. So this PPT preparation, right? Then arranging this all stuff, invites, access nahi ho raha hai, ye ho raha hai. So all these, governance is done. Okay, let me proceed. Sorry for little more talk. So, anybody has any question till so far? Anybody has any question? Please raise your hand and we can listen to you. Everybody can listen to you. किसी को कोई क्वेश्चन है? बहुत समझदार लोग हैं यार आपने. कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं? आशुतोष, अंकिता, ऐश्वर्या. Let me check who has raised hand. No raise hand. Okay, so no question. That's good. You can put in chat if you cannot talk. You can put in chat if you have a speaking problem, but don't shy. जैसा भी मराठी में बोला तो चलेगा, हिंदी में बोला तो भी चलेगा, right? But speak out. Sir, can you? Okay, just let me check. Who is sending message? Sir, can you please introduce us to C programming? A bit excited. Hey man, come on. Yes, Krishna, definitely. We are proceeding towards that only. So be patient. Let me finish few more slides, and then we can jump on that, right? About books, yeah, everything can be told. Don't worry about it. Okay, so लॉकडाउन है, right? सारा वर्चुअली चल रहा है. Now we are taking classes virtually, right? So you understand the importance of computer world, right? So there is no problem if you have skill in computer programming, whatever language you can, right? So let me yeah. So yeah. So this is digital world actually, right? Yeah. So this is digital world. So we have to be digital, right? अगर आपको नहीं आ रहा है तो आपको सीखना पड़ेगा. यू मस्ट हैव एक्सपीरियंस. जिनके घरों में आजकल बच्चे ऑनलाइन पढ़ रहे हैं, आपने देखा होगा कि बच्चों को प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है ऑनलाइन पढ़ने में. इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि टीचर को प्रॉब्लम नहीं हो रहा है. टीचर को भी उतना ही प्रॉब्लम हो रहा है बिकॉज दे आर नॉट डिजिटली ट्रांसफॉर्म, राइट? But this is going to change all over the world, not only in India. This is going to change all over the world. So people are going to work digitally, right? So you just can imagine what is the importance of computer programming, learning of it, different languages. वहाँ पे आपको आपका स्किल बढ़ाना कितना important है, right? And I'm really happy to see some excitement on the C programming concept. By few people, but yes, as I told you in the beginning, little patience is required because I have all the students, few are from non-computer background as well, right? Few are from computer background, few are non-computer background, few are working professionals in non-IT field. So let me talk with them. This is only the session devoted on that. Otherwise, okay, somebody asked me a question. I'm happy. What if we are working on a technology apart from C? Then how can we make this session beneficial? As far as knowledge is concerned, if you get a knowledge on C programming, you understand. If you get I'll correct my statement, Chaitanya. If you get a knowledge on C programming core concept, right, and you acquainted yourself by doing some practice with me, right, at home at your site,
Audio Jungle.
you will feel confident, to learn any language, not only C. After that, automation requesting to no man. Salim, please don't request that kind of stuff. Yeah. So I think programming is in every technology. Which technology you belong to, Chaitanya? Which side of technology you are working? You can talk or chat, no problem. SAP. Oh, you are already there. You already there, right? So it will clear your concepts, right? See, C is a mother of language, right? C is a mother of language, and all languages, anything like C, C++, Java, or for that matter Oracle, even on the DB side, right? You take anything, COBOL or Lotus Notes, whatever it is, right? You take anything. This is based on the concepts of C, right? Since last 15 years I have not touched to C, but I am starting this kind of training from C. I cannot start my training from C# or Angular or React. I cannot do that, or even cloud. I cannot talk that because I want to reach all those people, those who want to understand what is computer programming, right? How I can start? Is it work, right? So you already in SAP ABAP field, so it's good for you if you understand core knowledge, right? Okay, so I think that's answered your question. Thanks. Yeah, Chaitanya. So buzzwords, many of you might have heard, or many might not have heard. Virtual reality. Now don't ask me what is virtual reality. It's separate topic. Augmented reality. It's entire course actually. This is just buzzword, right? Ki mobile. Is there any benefit of programming for graphic designing? What is benefit of programming for a person if he need to do graphic designing? Programming, graphic designing does involve animation, right? Graphic designing is involved in animation. How animation, the software that has been developed for animation or graphic designing, how it has been developed, what is behind it, right? If you understand that little bit, the graphic design that you've done, right? What is pixel? What is inch? Or how the pixel will be stored in the inside of the memory. If I ask those questions, can you give me an answer? How the brightness will be happen? Who is an entity involved there? So see, there is no loss if you learn C. It will add value to your profile, your resume. Okay, and that is what is real need of the time actually in this pandemic. कि आपके पास मल्टी स्किल होने चाहिए, जहां पे भी डालो वहां पे आपने चलना चाहिए. आपने ये बोलना नहीं है कि मैं ग्राफिक डिजाइनर हूं, मैं सैप हूं, तो मैं सी शार्प का प्रोग्रामिंग नहीं कर सकता. अब ग्राफिक डिजाइनिंग में समझो काम नहीं मिल रहा है, यू हैव टू स्विच, राइट? अगर आप इफ यू आर रिलेक्टेंट लाइक रोल कंपनी, राइट, कैमरा रोल कंपनी, यू विल बी आउट वन डे. So you have to, but I don't think for graphic designing it will be soon. It is good field. No worry about it. So machine learning, cloud computing, mobile, IoT, and so many. So all these are buzzwords. So ये सब आप सीख सकते हैं provided आपके पास programming का skill हो. And C is the gateway to learn all those programming, right? Cloud programming, serverless programming, mobile app. Angular, Android, or Objective C++, iOS wala, MVC, whatever, right? So list goes on, right? This is big list. Databases, right? Shamli, just a minute. Let me complete this C, and then I'll come back. So my question to you guys: are we near to all those technologies? So I'm asking all of you. Are you somewhere near to all of these buzzwords? Today's requirement from the technology point of view, specifically latest technology point of view. Are you there? Saurabh, thanks. Please unmute yourself, and if you can ready to talk, please. Oh, Saurabh left hand. Okay, if you guys want to chat, you can chat. So, okay. So Shamli has a question for us. Let me answer Shamli. Shamli. I have studied programming in many ways. Okay, but there are so many languages like JavaScript, Angular, and all. Is this necessary for us to practice all these languages along with C? Basically, C. JavaScript, Angular, and all are high-level languages, right? I have seen people who know Angular cannot write SQL query. I know people who know JavaScript, right? Cannot understand how to when to write for loop, when to and what logic we have to write there. It's okay that you know JavaScript, you know Angular, but logical flow nowadays in one statement you can build your entire table, right? In Angular, if you is there benefit? Shamli, is this clear? What I want to convey you. So C is C is mother of language. Your brain, yes, your brain is going to work if you want to learn the programming, right? Otherwise, on other stuff like C sharp or pointers is not there in C sharp or Java nowadays. But when you work with C, you have to interact with pointers, and when you are interacting pointers, you have to think a lot, right? C का सॉफ्टवेयर का साइज कितना होता है पता है क्या किसी को? How much size is required for C installation? Thanks, Shamli. Wiplo, is there benefit of mechanical field? Programming is everywhere, man. Why first year mechanical engineering has a computer program as a compulsory subject? I think Wiplo and everybody. Okay, let me, whichever field you are from, programming. Oh yeah, thanks Krishna. Thanks for answering on behalf of me. Yes, that is what I wanted to tell you. Yeah. Thanks, Shamli. So basically, see, programming is everywhere.
Audio
That is what my first statement on this slide. Today's world is called digital world. You work in mechanical, you work in electrical, you work in civil, right? So you work in anywhere, like paint shop, for example. Paint shop. Do you know how paint shop works? Is it manual nowadays? In Bajaj Auto or Tata Motors, does people have brushes in their hand? No. There are robots. How robots are working? How robots are working? ऐसे आंखों से देख के काम करते हैं क्या वो लोग? How CNCs are working in mechanical? Viplov, how CNCs are working? Do you know that?
Sir, by programming.
By programming, of course. So there is huge demand for CNC programmer. You might have heard, right? There is huge demand for configuring the centralized AC using the control panel, right? Ships, right? Advanced field of mechanical ships. How the radiology will be controlled, or control panel will be controlled by that captain.
Audio Jungle.
So all are programmed, right? How autopilot is working, right? Driverless car,
Audio Jungle.
you have heard, right? How is it possible, right? So don't underestimate yourself कि मेरे फिल्म में इसका जरूरत नहीं है तो मैं नहीं करूंगा. Then you will be out one day. That is what I wanted to convey. Like Canon, Kodak, right? So all those people has gone, right? अभी जो अपने इधर भी petrol is going to go away because of electric car, right? By 2030 or maybe. बहुत ड्रास्टिक चेंजेस है. अगर हम लोग इलेक्ट्रिक कार नहीं सीखेंगे बनाना, then Tata will be out someday. They already started, right? Okay, so let's rejoin.
Audio Jungle.
Okay. Yeah, my question to you all: are we near to all those technologies? हम किसी इन सभी में कहीं तो भी नजदीक है क्या हम लोग? अगर नहीं है तो हमको बहुत मेहनत करने की जरूरत है, राइट? इट डजंट मैटर विच स्ट्रीम यू बिलोंग टू, राइट? हम सी पढ़ रहे हैं, इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि हमारा स्टॉप हो गया. ये तो शुरुआत है, राइट? मेरे को तो आगे का पढ़ाना था आपको, लेकिन मैं नहीं पढ़ा सकता आपको, शुरू भी नहीं कर सकता, बिकॉज आई डोंट नो व्हाट इज योर लेवल, राइट? बट लेट मी प्रोसीड टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन.
Audio Jungle.
Okay, next slide actually. Why to start computer programming from C language? There are many questions coming on around this, right? C is called mother of computer programming language. Easy to learn, interact with low-level OS features as well as high-level features. अभी इसमें OS छोटा शब्द है, बट ये OS क्या है इसके ऊपर भी हम लोग बात करेंगे, राइट? ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, राइट? देन पॉइंटर अरिथमेटिक, जैसा मैंने अभी बोला कि पॉइंटर ये C और C++ में है, C# में नहीं है. माइक्रोसॉफ्ट ने निकाल दिया क्योंकि डेवलपर को तकलीफ हो रही. बट इंटरनली माइक्रोसॉफ्ट इज वर्किंग विद पॉइंटर्स, नॉट यू. दे आर हिडन फ्रॉम यू डिफिकल्टी, राइट? द फैक्ट इज, लेट मी okay. And the meeting will end for all participants in 5 minutes. Okay. So I think so this is mother of language, and so guys, you want 7. Okay. So guys, in 5 minutes our meeting is going to control our own session. So do you want to continue or we can talk tomorrow?
Audio Jungle.
So there are 2-3 slides more.
Audio Jungle.
Hello. Yeah, you can give me answer in chat quickly or raise hand if you don't want to continue. Krishna, thanks. So then I'll restart the meeting, same link, once it is done. How many of you? Okay, we should continue, sir. Okay, Vipul, thanks. Okay, so let me because we may need 10-15 minutes. That's not more than that. Yeah. Thanks, Ginny. Thank you, everybody. Thank you. Okay. So why to start computer programming from C language? So my answer is it's easy to learn. It's interact with the low level features of the operating system as well as high level features of the operating system. What is that low level and high level? I'll explain little later. Pointer arithmetic. This will many people every time who learn computer, they don't want C because C or CPP, right? Because there are pointers. But if you understand pointer, you'll not go away from it. But उसके लिए आपको एक तपस्या बोलते हैं ना, पॉइंटर के साथ में करनी पड़ती है, तब वो लाइक करना शुरू होता है, right? The fact is learning how to program in C is not only an excellent programming language to get started with, but it will also make you better programming in other computer languages. Somebody asked me, JavaScript or Angular में काम कर रही हूँ, मेरे को जरूरत है क्या उसकी? I think this is for you. C will make you better programmer, क्योंकि इसमें actually आपको सोचना पड़ता है. And how many people of you have watched my video? The first video that I uploaded on my YouTube channel. Just raise your hand. No need to chat. Okay, 3 people, right? Oh, Guinea, thanks. Okay. Yeah, so there I mentioned, I request all of you to go there, watch that video carefully. You understand, what I mentioned there. You can see the session. Here, just there. Okay, one more important thing that why I uploaded that session, because I'll be recording all these sessions and I'll be uploading there on the YouTube, right? And you guys can hear my session again whenever you want to. I have many messages in my mobile now that they want to attend but they cannot. So for all those kind of people, all these videos will be available on YouTube. So my request is to subscribe that, okay, and so that you will get notification whenever I upload any video. So please go there and subscribe it. And also one thing I mentioned in that first video, right? What are requirements from learning C point of view? I just need one compiler, right? So compiler can be available on the mobile also,